a tornado warning for southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, until 5 o'clock p.m. At 4:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Elk Ridge, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Elk Ridge, Baltimore, Washington, Ferndale, Pomfrey, Catonsville, Arbutus, Brooklyn Park. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.